Hi, it's Dick the Blades. Got this at Walmart the other day. It's a Hart 4-in-1 folding knife. Got a bottle opener on it, a Phillips driver bit, package opener. High carbon steel blades, removable pocket clip, liner lock, aluminum handles. Going to use my AD 20.5 serrated blade to unbox it with. Nice retention on the pocket clip. There's the bottle opener. Package opener. Wow, that's got a liner lock too. Phillips and straight screwdriver with liner lock. This thing is super stiff. Wow. Gonna have to work with that a little bit. Lockup is good. Man, that thing's stiff. I'm gonna have to loosen that up a little bit. Blades off center a little bit to the clip side. See how sharp it is. Oh, it's pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. I think this thing was like $8 or something like that. I can't remember exactly, $8 or $12. Not bad for that much. It's got no side to side or up and down blade play at all. Not bad. I'll have to work on that action. Reverse grip doesn't feel bad at all. Got a little thumb ramp there. I like it for a cheap knife. Pretty comfortable in the hand.